the deal. You're under arrest. If you want to keep showing your ass, I can show my ass.
It started as a simple request to leave the property, but within minutes, the routine call spiraled into chaos.
So they were asked to leave about 9:30, and I came back, and he was the one that was originally asked to leave for being intoxicated and aggressive with other guests. And now they just keep going to every door and harassing all my security guards to get let back in.
Okay, thank you. No, you're fine. Here's the deal. You cannot come back here. Do you understand?
I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in.
Okay, so leave the property.
Yeah, no. So I'm gonna. Go.
You're leaving now.
Ryan.
Go. Haley.
No, I want to
You are leaving.
I'm ignoring
Let's
you.
go.
I would like to make a formal complaint
About what?
Haley.
about the establishment.
Right. That's not what we do. Pick up your stuff and let's go.
I can't make a formal complaint.
No, let's go.
Why?
Because they do not want you here. You keep coming back and keep harassing the staff.
You're leaving.
Okay, no, wait, hold on. You, go away. You're pissing me off.
If we get called about you, you gotta go to jail.
Haley.
No. Everyone, shut up. I want to ask a question.
Excuse me.
I don't know lawful.
First off, no, that's rude.
Haley.
You're gonna act like a child, you're gonna get treated like a child. They're telling you to go.
No, I am not in their establishment, so they
You're under their convergence, okay?
Haley.
Let's go.
Sawyer. We're going home.
Go. I'm asking a question.
You're walking away. You're going home.
I want to ask a question.
You're going home.
I want to talk.
I suggest you listen to him and you go home for the night.
I
My
want to.
best friend is a cop. You want to fucking...
I don't care what you're saying. I want to talk to them. Wait.
Haley.
No. Fine.
Walk away.
Oh.
Ryan, you can take her things and you can
I
leave.
know. Fuck off. I just want to ask you a question. I will leave if you tell me to leave. That's fine. What I want to ask, why can I not ask questions about the establishment?
You said you just wanted to file a formal complaint.
I
We don't
want
do that.
No.
Listen. I've been as nice as possible.
Please.
You're a trespass from here. You're a trespass from Bull and Whistle.
No.
If we get another call, listen. Stop fucking interrupting me.
I'm not
All right?
interrupting you.
Yes, you are.
Go on.
If we get called about you one more time, I will take you to jail for public nuisance. Do you understand?
I understand.
Stop trying to yell. Do what you got to do. Go home.
Can I talk?
We're done talking.
No.
We're done talking.
We
Go
are done.
home.
You got to go home.
No, I'm allowed
We're
to.
going home.
If I get a call about you again for any reason,
Haley
I'll
Sawyer.
take you to jail.
Fucking go.
No.
All your phone.
Ryan.
Going
Oh,
home.
he's making it so much worse.
No, actually you are. So let's go. Go with him and go home.
I want to know. I was inside the establishment and I was fine. I
They
was
can
told.
change their mind. I
No,
told you
I-
earlier. If they don't want you there, you have to
I
leave.
don't want to go inside the establishment.
That doesn't matter. You can't stay here.
I know.
You can't harass
I don't
the
want to
staff.
go inside the establishment.
And I'm telling you, you can't stay here.
I'm
You
not.
can't- I have been patient. Do not yell over me.
You haven't.
I have
You
actually.
haven't listened to what I'm actually trying to say. The reasoning behind the original dispute.
And
So can I go back to negotiate the understanding so that this doesn't happen again?
No, they don't
So
want
you're
you here.
telling me the reasoning behind the understanding of the reasoning that I can't go back to the establishment cannot be understood. So I
No.
cannot understand why I cannot do this again.
I have told you
That's
already.
not good policing.
I have told
I
you
need to
already.
know the policing reason as to why I
Okay, if they have the right to say they don't
I
want you
understand
here
that.
anymore.
If
That's
that
it.
leaves
That's
me
it. That's it.
on public ground.
That's it.
That leaves me on public ground.
Okay.
So I can stand here and
Then you're in the roadway.
yeah, that's fine.
No, it's not, because now you're obstructing traffic. Let's go.
What traffic?
Haley Sawyer.
Ryan! Stop. Oh, it's pissing me off. If you want to arrest me, that's absolutely fine, and I won't resist. I just really, genuinely want to understand as to why. I want to know the reasoning.
Here's
All
what's
I want-
going on. You're really drunk and you're not making any sense.
I am making sense.
I've already explained this to you. They don't want you here because you're really drunk and you're acting like an asshole to everyone.
Give me your phone. I need to call your mom.
Ryan, no.
My phone is dead. Give me your phone.
You need to go home. You need to go home.
Haley, your father is my uncle.
Mr. Redmond, Mr. Ashley.
Shut up. We are walking away right now.
No,
Haley,
Ryan.
Haley,
Oh my God.
you are going to fucking jail if you don't
Get out
walk
of the road.
with me right now.
Get out of the road.
Haley!
Ryan.
Put your hands behind your back.
Haley!
Put your hands behind your back. Go ahead.
Haley! What happened? What happened?
Oh my God.
We're not.
Haley! Haley!
We're
Stop!
with you. Do you understand?
Haley! Stop! Haley! Haley! Let me
playing with me.
I get arrested. All right. Let's go. You're going to jail.
That's fine. 87-1 in custody.
You taking her?
Yeah, I'll take her.
All right.
Which one? I'm back there. Flat on your stance. This is not a game. Do you understand?
You got anything legal on you?
I've got nothing illegal on me. You can touch me any way you want.
I'm not touching you.
Not you. Anyone.
Actually, grab her passport from him because I need an ID from her.
All right, you got her?
Where's my cousin going? I'll bail her out.
You're going to Monroe County. Where's her? Do you have her ID?
I do not have her ID,
This is
but
the bag, right?
This is her bag with her ID in it. You can go through it all you want.
Just sit tight.
You with this
Just
guy.
sit tight right here. Your phone right here. I'll let you know what's going on.
I'm 31 years old, man. Like,
No, you should have done whatever you want when we asked you to.
You're fine. I'll happily cooperate.
Yeah, it's a chance.
Ryan, just keep a hold of my stuff. It's fine.
she's my younger cousin, so I want to
Ryan, it's fine.
Haley,
Ryan.
roll the window and do whatever they say.
Oh my God, it's fine. What the f is wrong
No,
with
it's
him?
not fine because guess what? Now you're going to jail.
That's fine. I have no reason.
Not right now. I'm not in the mood.
I have no reason to be going here, and therefore I don't mind.
Touch your head.
Well, it's a bit late for that, isn't it? Okay.
What do you want?
Pardon? Oh, I just trying to talk to my cousin.
Nah, that's not how this goes.
So, wait, I have a question then. Genuine question.
What?
What are my rights?
Huh?
What are
You
my
don't have one
rights? I
right now.
haven't
You're
been told
detained.
my rights.
You're detained right now.
No, but
They haven't been told. What are you talking about?
I haven't been told my rights.
You have the rights of every U.S. citizen. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know that. I live in the UK, so I don't know what my rights
Okay.
are. Thank you.
So your rights as far as what? Right now you're being arrested for trespassing and disorderly conduct.
Okay, cool.
You're asked to leave multiple times. So your rights right now are to go to jail and bond out in the morning.
So I can't talk to anyone.
Nope. Okay, you're going to go to jail because you've been asked to leave already multiple times.
Okay, cool.
This is the second place you've been trespassed from tonight. You're already trespassed from the Bull and Whistle earlier tonight. Okay.
Yeah, because I couldn't find my bag. That's
Okay.
not a good reason.
No, it's not. When you're asked to leave, you leave. Okay. So now you're going to go to jail. You'll
Okay.
get booked in. You'll see a judge in the morning. They'll set your bond, and you'll be able to get out from there.
A judge.
A judge, like a magistrate.
So I have
You're
to
going to sit in
see-
jail all night. And you'll see a judge in the morning.
Can I get my jacket when I'm in
Where's
prison?
your jacket?
I don't know. Something
No,
like
they'll probably give you a sweater or something.
that. Okay, cool.
Okay.
As long as I'm warm.
So just hang tight.
Cool.
What?
Can I ask my cousin for the password to her phone
Nope.
so I can call her mom?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
All right.
Can you just tell my cousin not to
I
worry?
can't tell your cousin nothing.
Well, he's worrying, and I want him not to worry.
Ain't got nothing to do with me. We was worried about everybody else and you weren't listening. Welcome to the United States of America.
I'm from here.
You kick this door again, we're gonna have a problem.
I'm from here. Hi.
Put your feet down. This is your fucking living room. So here's the deal. You're under arrest. If you want to keep showing your ass, I can show my ass. And what that means is I'm going to put you in leg shackles to where you can't relax and just sit back here. Or you can sit back here like an adult and act like an adult, and then I'll treat you like an adult. But if you want to act like a child, I can treat you like a child. I don't care where you're from. So keep your feet off of my ceiling, off of my windows, quit kicking my door, quit hollering. You can sit here, you'll go to jail, and you'll be done with this. If you want to act out, then I can act out, and I'm going to put you in leg shackles, and it's going to be uncomfortable for you. Understood? Is that understood?
I understand.
Okay.
I think
Here's the deal. Your cousin wants the password to your phone. Are you willing to give that to him so he can contact your mom?
Oh, am I allowed to talk now?
I just asked you a question. So
Well,
yeah.
you can call that from the jail. How about that?
Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
at this
we'll
point.
call it from you call it from the jail.
You want to play games?
Ah!
Get out.
Ow! I can't.
She's-
I'm in the fucking seatbelt. Ow! Ow! What are you
Let
doing?
go of the cuff. You can try to act like your hand's in there. We both know it isn't.
What are you doing?
Turn around.
Oh!
What did you pop in your mouth?
I didn't put anything in my mouth.
Yes, you did. I saw you on camera.
Go and pull this one off.
Is there anything else you'd like to do?
Take
Nope,
a
get
seat.
in.
Let's go.
Should I strip?
We'll take care of that at the jail.
No, take care of that when I'm in jail. Ah, it's a bit tight. The right one is.
Yeah.
Yep. That's what happens
The
when
right
you
one
pull them
never,
off.
well, the right one never came out. Thank you.
What started as a simple trespass call turned into multiple charges: criminal trespassing, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and escaping lawful restraint, all because of one decision not to leave. In situations like this, it's not about being right, it's about knowing when to walk away, because one bad decision can follow you for the rest of your life.